everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and in this Topwater Bass fishing video, I'll be reviewing and fishing with the Micro Pompadour. Let's check it out. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. Look at that beast right there, baby. I think I won the tournament with that one right there. I am the one with this one. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Just want to welcome you to this video here. This right here, you're going to be watching me fishing with the Micro Pompadour by Jackall. And what I did here in this video was a little bit different here because I actually was fishing with it in some lily pads and a fish took me under some rocks and sticks and I lost the lure. So I don't have the lure to show you right here, but I do have past footage of me fishing with it here. So I just wanted to kind of give you a preview of why I'm going to do what I'm doing here in this video. So in this video, you're going to see an older clip of me doing a review of the Jackall Micro Pompadour. So you're going to get to see a chance to see me do a review of it. Then you're going to actually see me fish with it. And then you're going to see another clip of me fishing with it as well. So I just wanted to kind of give everybody watching my channel kind of a preview of what they're going to see here. Because things will kind of be, they're not just going to be as smooth as I like the video to be. But I'm just putting these segments in so you can check out this lure and see how unique and cool it really is. So go ahead, enjoy the video, and I'll be talking to you later. All right. Now, with the Pompadour here, the Micro Pompadour here, one of the things that's so unique about it is that, as you can see here, it's got the treble hook in the front, it's got the two-prong hook in the back here. Now I'm looking at that and I'm thinking about that right there. It's like a frog hook. And so what I'm thinking about is I'm saying to myself, okay, what am I going to do about that? You know, will that allow for strikes? But what I might end up doing is just like on the back here, I might end up removing this from the back because as you can see, it can slide right off there. You can actually remove it. And let's see here. There we go. You can remove it. And I might end up sliding this off and putting a treble hook on the back, a much more stronger treble hook. As you can see, these hooks are pretty sticky here. You know, they're pretty sticky. But I might end up taking this one off and putting a treble hook back there just to allow me that better chance of getting that hook up. So that's probably what I'm going to do there. This particular one right here is a really cool color right here. It's like a little dark bug on top. And I'm probably more than likely going to get another one eventually because they come in different colors, but they just haven't made it here to the States yet. And that's the challenge here. A lot of times, these really cool Japanese lures just don't make it here. But here's one thing I can tell you for sure about this, because I've already been throwing this right here. This right here, this little bug definitely will bring up the bass. It will actually bring up bluegill. I've seen bluegill come up and strike at it. I've also watched other types of fish. And what do I mean by other types of fish? Other types of fish, which is crazy. I've watched even carp kind of circle it before just to kind of come up and look to see what that is. So this little bug right here is attractive to a lot of different fish that primarily will hit bugs. Any kind of fish that you know of that will take a strike at a bug will take a strike at the actual Micro Pompadour. And what I'm doing is I'm casting this on, and I'm actually, and it's a light lure, but I'm still casting it on a bait caster. I've got my bait caster tuned really sensitive so I can throw it far and I can get it out there. 7-foot rod, and I'm sitting up there using that and I'm just throwing it out there, twitching it, popping it. And what's interesting right now is that here down in Florida, the spawn has already happened. So there's a lot of fry in the water right now and they're jumping on top. So there's a lot of fry jumping, leaping, and moving. So because of that, I'm throwing right into where these fry are, where they're jumping and moving, and I'm just kind of popping it along with that. That way, when the bass see it, they say, oh, that's the one little minnow that did not decide to jump that far. So eventually, I'm going to get a strike here. I'm always videotaping, and I just wanted to share with everybody the Micro Pompadour here because this is going to be an exciting lure. I'm not sure if it's going to make it to the States or not, but this is going to be a hot lure if it does get in the States, because once people see this thing in action, if you own a pompadour, a big one or a junior, you're going to want to own one of these small ones right here as well, if nothing else, to add to your collection. So for me, like I said before, I'm really excited about this micro pompadour. I'm going to be using it. You're going to be checking out some videos of me in the future. So I just wanted to do this quick Tackle Talk Tuesday here. So I'm using a bait caster, 7-foot rod. I'm using, just a regular bait caster. Nothing too special about the bait casters that I'm actually using, but I'm just using a bait caster, throwing it out there, bringing it back in slow, popping it, bringing it along the weed lines and popping it, throwing it near lily pads because those hooks are exposed, and I'm popping that along as well. So for you and me, once again, it's all about top water. If you have any questions, any comments about what we've talked about here, please leave a comment below. And always remember this, when it comes to top water fishing, keep your line tight, because when they hit that top water, it's going to be a big bite. All right. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and we are out at a lake. I'm going to be fishing today with the Micro Pompadour, just so everybody can get a good look at that right there. It's actually the micro of the bigger Pompadour, which is a much bigger lure that's on the market, but I actually ordered this one from Japan a long time ago, and I've been fishing with it on and off. So we're going to take it out here and see what we can do with it. All right then. There we go. Oh. There we go. There we go, everybody. All right. All right. There we go. There we go, everybody. Woo! Look at that. Just so you can all see there. I got him on the Micro Pompadour. That's that Micro Pompadour. That out of the way so everybody can see that. There he is on that Micro Pompadour. People may not know about that, but Pompadour makes a small one, and I just put in work on that micro. All right. There we go. Woo! There we go. There we go. All right. There we go. Nice one. Nice one. As you can see, he's caught on the Micro Pompadour. So that's what he got himself caught on, was the Micro Pompadour, and that was really cool. I want to make sure everybody gets a good look at the Pompadour. Micro. Good hit. Good hit. And this one is 1.8, and it's a nice one that was caught on the Micro Pompadour out of Japan. So that was pretty cool here. All right, everybody. There it goes. All right. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and I hope you enjoyed the video. What I was trying to do here was really show you something unique here with some clips of me fishing with that Jackall Micro Pompadour. It's a lot of fun to fish with. I really enjoy fishing with it because it shows how you can use such unique lures to catch fish. And it starts getting you to think about, hey, when I'm fishing a pressured pond, maybe I should try something very unique and different that they haven't seen before, that they're more likely and keyed in to hit on. So I was really excited to be able to use this lure, to fish with it, and to be able to show you footage of it. Now, here's the thing. Once I get the lure back, in other words, I ordered another one of those lures, and it takes a little bit of time for those lures to come in because I ordered it from Australia. So it's going to take a little while for it to get here. But the moment I get it back in, I'm going to get it back out on the water, do a little bit probably more in-depth lure review of it, showing you some of the modifications that I normally make to that kind of lure. So I want to go a little bit more in detail on that lure and show you the bigger versions as well, so that you can see how you can go from micro to a lot bigger pompadour. So I want to show you all of that. But for right now, I really hope you enjoyed the footage and the video. Please like, subscribe to the channel, because I'm trying to grow the channel. From all my new subscribers, I say welcome once again. For all those that have been in the group with me, thank you for being with me and going along. We're going to grow steady but sure. We're going to grow, and I just love having you guys with me on the journey. So once again, this is Topwater Johnny saying that phrase, keep your line tight, because when they hit those topwater lures, it's going to be a big bite. All right.